Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Whitebox Wednesday video here at XpertVR. Today's video is going to be a little different and very interesting since we'll be talking about XpertVR and Redbull Flugtag 2022. For those of you who have watched our Friday recap videos, you would have heard that XpertVR is taking part in the Redbull Flugtag event happening on September 24th here in Toronto at Ontario Place. Now for those of you who might have missed these videos and are unfamiliar with Flugtag, basically, it's an event organized by Redbull in which competitors attempt to fly homemade human-powered flying machines. These flying machines are then launched off a platform about 22 feet high into a body of water, in this case, Lake Ontario. So a lot of fun and team building opportunities with this upcoming event, and aside from jumping off a 22 feet high platform, what our team is most excited about is actually building the aircraft. And in preparing for this, instead of simply just sketching our design, our team met inside of virtual reality to design and build a 3D rough draft of our aircraft. This is the space where we all gathered, and as you can see all along the walls are informative posters all about Redbull's Flugtag. Using ShapesXR, our team got to brainstorming and building the ideal aircraft for this competition. Everyone had their own wacky ideas and freely created their own builds based on them. There were lots of shapes and creative objects that we played around with, and we designed conventional airplanes, gliders, flying desks, and more crazy fun ideas. But ultimately, after a group consensus, our team decided to stick to a glider design, and this is what we came up with. This is XpertVR's initial 3D design of our aircraft for Redbull Flugtag 2022. Here's the glider, and right below is the cart that our flight crew will be pushing forward off the ramp, which as you can see is designed to be an XpertVR VR headset. And obviously attached to the glider is where XpertVR's COO Drew McNeil will be piloting the aircraft. Like I said, this is only a rough draft and we have already made adjustments and more specifications, as you can see here in these most recent designs created on Blender by our wonderful artist Tori. So there's lots of work that still needs to be done, but ultimately this was a great team building opportunity in which our entire team contributed to and really enjoyed. Here's Chris doing his best Al Pacino imitation, waving his Italian hands. All in all, this week's video was all about taking a deeper dive and showcasing the beginning phases of our aircraft design. Although it's great showing off finished products, I find that it can be even more interesting to see the before and after of any process, to see just how much a difference there is. And we're excited to actually build this craft and show you all the finished physical aircraft. With that being said, that's a wrap to this week's Whitebox Wednesday video. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think about our design, and if you have any suggestions that could help create a better aircraft for Redbull Flugtag. Have a great day and take care.